Welcome back. It's another day doing the 1997 CR500 and we're getting close to the end. The bike is starting to look great. I'm really excited about this because I actually just ordered a ton of parts off Bike Bandit. Things like this, the mud flap, it's old, it's cracked. The fork guards, they're old, they're yellowed. Quite pricey on Bike Bandit. Luckily there's a promo code on there. They got me 5% off the site, but brand new, old stock parts that are coming, and now it's just really cleaning, removing these stupid stickers. I like Chaparral as much as the next guy, it's just I don't like stickers on my Airbox, especially when I'm doing a restoration to an OEM bike. But cleaning the Airbox, cleaning up the air filter, putting it in the fresh painted subframe, and just putting the bike back together. So here we go. I'm gonna get it. There you are. Okay, so we clean the Airbox, let's clean the car, get that fashion on, get it back on the frame, and take some pictures, load them on Instagram. This thing comes together so fast. Once you just start cleaning the parts, it's an easy process. It's just a bit of workload. I mean, you can see that there's some discolorations. It's not dirty, there's no dirt in there, but there are still some discoloration. And that's just from years of use. You're not really going to get rid of all of that unless you paint it or do some other process that maybe I don't know about, maybe you can tell me about, because I'd love to know. I'd love a better way to do all this in the future. So, comment on the video or below the video. Tell me what I'm doing wrong, tell me what I'm doing right. Okay, so we have the carburetor. It's really, really dirty. So we'll have to clean that up. I could have gotten the brand new pink lines. I might still do it. I know it's like a $20 kit. The place that makes them, actually, where I got it before for restoration, was actually Holland. So it takes a little bit of time to ship. Looking at it now, I think I'm going to go ahead and get that. Looks like it's only 3 lines, so it's not too bad anyway. I can definitely install the carburetor and then get the new hoses, the vent hoses, and put them on the right spot. But cleaning the carb is easy. I mean, it's literally just wiping it off. It already, looks decent. It's going to take more than 10 minutes. Let's see. pretty good. Okay, we got our carb and our airbox pretty cleaned up. The carb, you know, like I said, 20 years of dirt, grime, and grease, it's gonna happen. But the carb looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and reinstall it, put the airbox back on. We might have to do a little bit of polishing on the bolts for the airbox, just for the outside mounts, which is actually under here, and I think that's actually it. No, there's a couple more, but also we gotta clean this up. We just gotta put it back together, and I'm excited for how it's gonna look, especially in the white frame. Let's get to it. Like to tighten up the subframe before I actually tighten up the air root and engine intake, simply because stuff might shift a little bit with the subframe. You might have to push the hole a little bit more, but everything else is pretty much ready at this point. So that's pretty much it for the airbox and the carburetor. Looks good, it's in the right place. You know, there's still a little bit of dirt that I wasn't able to get out. I'll probably be able to get that in post-build when it's all together, and then I'm going through everything with a fine-tooth comb, you know, working on the bolts and things like that. But yeah, it looks decent for now. You know, got a long ways to go. Next up, I got to figure out how to fix that pipe, then sand it, clean it up, and paint it. Should be getting the next set of OEM parts from Bike Bandits coming up here pretty quick. That'll be nice because there'll be, you know, grips, and I can put the throttle on, start running some cables, put the electronics on after I clean that up. You know, put the air filter back in after I actually grease it and oil it, and I'll do a video on that too. I know it's mundane this morning, but it's easy, so why not? The rest of it, it's coming out pretty decent. I'm happy with it. Alright, so subscribe to the video, check out the link to my Instagram in the bio. That's more up to date than the videos are. They're coming actually out after the Instagram, so if you want to see what I'm currently working on and look forward to further videos, check out my Instagram. That's at clutch.restorations. And you can always check me out on YouTube, which is just Clutch. Alright, thanks. Bonus time! Let's put on a Fender. So, I can't resist. Let's do another Fender. Oh yeah, that'll work. So, front fender on, rear fender on. I have quite a bit more work to do, but definitely looking good. I definitely can't push it back against the wall until I move some stuff. There's obviously no reason to put these fenders on right now. It's just something that's clean, that's ready to go, and I want to do it. So sometimes it's better to see what you're working towards instead of just blindly working on the stuff you have. And just show the mock-up of how it's going to look. So